Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by going into Devices Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Finally, select your language by clicking on it, and when you're done, choose Save. Then tap on Continue a couple of times. Hit Start and close an app. Now you can finally close Launcher app and go into Devices Settings. From them, tap on Apps section, click on Default Apps, and then access Home app. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it over here. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!